Alright, so we need to add this to the URLs. Alright, or PY. Come over here. Then just do paths. Alright, let's see this. Let's call this so instead of saying delivery history send out, let's just call this active delivery. Alright. Alright, so let's put this here. So I'll be sure who is going to be using this. And then I just come and say active delivery. Use dot active delivery. Alright, name. Active delivery, right? Okay. So we want to create. Let's just call this to active delivery. So just come over here and come over to template delivery. Paste this one in here. Alright, so we're going to have extend the.html, the content, and the content. Right. Okay, so I don't need to even be here. HTML. So do table. Bring it in here. Just highlight everything and copy. Format documents. So come over here. Active delivery. Something package name. Let me look at my models.py file package. No, not this one. Not payments, delivery. Package name, pickup address. So let's do pickup address, recipient name, recipient phone, recipient address, rider is delivered. Okay, I don't think we need all these ones as well here. So just do status, leave status like that, right? And let's see what we can do here. So we'll just do for all in obj, right? And for here we do all those package name, all that pickup address, all dot recipient's name, all dot recipient phone, then all dot recipient address. All right. Then we're going to come back to this one later. This one. But let's just continue what we're doing. Okay. So we're just going to come over to index.html. Let's do something here. All right, so we just take this drop down. We write that drop down again to this one. We just copy this and paste it in here. All right, so let's just put let's just put active, right? And let's call this delivery. So here we have active delivery, right? This takes us to active delivery. All right, so let's see how that looks like. So when we refresh and active delivery, what's this here? Hold on 1 minute. Over to active delivery. Okay, so you can see we already have an active delivery that we paid for. So it's coming up here already, just one. Okay, so I want this to be when a driver isn't assigned yet to a delivery, I want it to just show pending, right? But if a driver is assigned, I want it to show maybe en route. Okay, so to do that, so just come over here. Let me look at views. Let me make my models first of all. So let me just add something here called has rider. So models dot boolean field false. It's going to be false. Let me just quickly make vibrations. Migrate. Server. All right, so come over to active delivery. So we'll just say here if o dot no, if o dot has driver else. Alright, and I'll go over here and I'll say end it. Alright, so let me just copy this, Ctrl C, paste in here, and I'll just call this active. No, rather, I'll call this en route, and then it will be success. Alright, so if I come over here and refresh, you still see pending, right? Because no driver has been assigned to this delivery yet. Okay, so again, I just want to show, so in this active delivery, if a delivery has been completed, it's still going to show up here, but I'm going to correct that later. So I'll show you guys how to correct that, okay? Alright, so now we've done this, we also need to do delivery history. So which means a completed deliveries will only show in the delivery history. So to do that, we're going to come over to settings. No, sorry, delivery. Let's come over to views here. So we'll just copy this one as well too. Alright, and we'll paste it in here. Alright, so we'll just do delivery history. Alright, the delivery history is verified through. Okay, so we're just going to do this delivery history. Alright, okay. So now we've done this, let's come over to URLs, path, delivery history. Name delivery history. Right. Okay, cool. So now we've done this, we can just create the template for this. So delivery underscore history .html. Scroll to active delivery. Just copy everything here and then paste in delivery history. So let's just call this delivery history. Right. Okay. So now we've done this. We need a way where we could okay, so let's see. So now we've done this, right? We need a way where we could assign um a delivery to a rider. I don't know if that makes sense. We need a way where we could assign a delivery to a rider so that once we pay for a delivery, then automatically, no, not automatically, the global admin would then be able to assign a delivery to a particular rider. So that's what we're going to be implementing now. So let's come over to our views, right? And then let's do for global admin, and then so we'll just say assign delivery requests, and then here we're going to do just do pass it. So let's do something very quickly. Let's do something. So before we can do the assign delivery, let's create a form very quickly. Go to form, and then let's say pass assign delivery form object model form, right? Class meta model, so model is going to be delivery, then field is going to be rider. So that's all we have for fields here. Okay, so let's come over to views, then here we just do import the assign delivery form. Also want to use pk. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get the objects. So just say object is equal to delivery dot objects dot get pk, right? So we do if requests dot method is posts. Form A is going to be assign delivery form. Request the posts. Then instance is going to be obj. If form that is valid, so let's say from the same false, hash rider is going to be true. So VAR will save. Alright, and then we're going to say messages dot success requests f-string, and then we can just say var dot rider has been assigned to deliver a package. Right, and then return redirect, and then we're going to have like a delivery queue. Right, so we're going to have like a delivery queue. I'm going to like do that now after I'm done with this. Then else we're going to say messages dot messages dot warning requests something went wrong. Return redirect to message. Sorry, delivery queue. Else form is assign delivery form instance obj context form return render requests delivery is equal to assign delivery that's HTML context. Alright, so now we've done this, let's just add it to our URLs very quickly. So path assign delivery pk, right? Use assign delivery okay. So we have used a py. Okay. Let's see. URLs a py. Okay, use a py. Alright, so let's look at use a py again, and then let's do it delivery queue. I mean, like nothing special though, just a list where we what am I doing? Just a list where we are going to see like all the deliveries, or like where the global admin can see all the deliveries. Yeah. So just say delivery queue, and we're going to say obj is delivery with objects dot filter, where is verified true, and then context obj turn render requests return render requests delivery, and then this is going to be delivery queue .html. Now just put in context here. So more URLs, path delivery queue, use that delivery queue, name delivery queue, right? I think this makes sense. This makes sense a lot. All right, so let's see. Let's see. So okay, so let's just start with the delivery queue first. So come over to templates, delivery, paste it in here. All right, and then that HTML. So just convert to delivery history, actually copy from here and then just paste in here as well too. So just call this delivery queue. So we're also going to add let's do sender here, right? So sender sender is also Okay, so here we're going to do action. Select action. Um, to, 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 to city. Um, yes, so let's like class, BTN, offline, primary, BTN small. Alright, so let's do assign rider. Alright, so let's just take this guy to URL assign rider o.pk. Right? Okay, so let's see. Um, so only the global admin can see like a delivery queue here. And again, I want to do something here. So dot order by this created. Right. Okay. So let's do, you know what? So let's see how the delivery queue is going to look like first of all before we're able to assign tickets. All right. So let me just quickly create a global admin account. Um, create super user. Some password. Okay. All right. So you know what? Let me just come over here and then just copy this one and open an in private window. Paste in here. All right. So let me just sign in. All right. So I am signed in now, and I want to be able to see that I want only the global admin to see, or super user to see the delivery queue link here. So to do that, come over to base.html. All right, and then we're just going to do where we have delivery. Where is that delivery again? Yeah, so let's just do like delivery queue here. So just say delivery queue. And delivery queue. So if request user that is super user and if so refresh, so you can see active delivery queue. But if I go to a user account and refresh, I can't see anything here. Okay, so come over here as well. So come over to the delivery queue. Okay, assign rider. Alright, something is wrong somewhere. So let's quickly go over here and then see what's wrong. Delivery URLs. So assign delivery. Assign delivery. Okay, so let's call it assign delivery, not assign rider. Over here. So assign delivery. So refresh. Now you can see sender one, blah 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 blah, and then it's pending, so we can assign rider here, right? Okay, so we need to now create the assign rider page or assign delivery page. So to do that, let's just call it assign delivery. So that's be sync. Alright, so assign delivery, right? So we click here and then take us to the assign delivery page. But for now, we don't have any page existing like that. So we have to create one. Alright, so let's move over to um, this one, and then we'll just create assign delivery .html. So let me just close out this ones. So look at delivery here. Then we use the py. Assign delivery, use the py. Where is it again? Okay, assign delivery. So here we have. You guys, I'm just zoning out. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I'm zoning out. So we have delivery here. I just wanted to be sure it wasn't assign rider. Okay. Sorry. Assign delivery. Okay. So we're going to do extends base.html. Here we're going to say block content. We're going to say end block content. Alright, cool. So what we're going to do now is come over here and come to form, and then we'll copy this and paste it in here as well. So yeah, cool. So we can start working. So here we'll just call this assign delivery. Alright. Assign delivery. Okay, so we'll just say, so here we'll just do sender. Alright, so value. Now I forgot to do something. Let me just do that very quickly. Come over to delivery, right? Then use the py. Where it says assign delivery, so one also passes to the context. Alright, so just do obj, then obj. Come out to assign delivery, and you can now do obj dot sender. And then for here, so let's just make this read only. So just read only. And then for here, so sorry, what am I doing? For here, we'll just say assign rider, and let's just bring in widget fix. So this is going to be render field from the rider, and then put in from control. Alright, cool. I think this makes sense. So let's just put in csrf underscore second. Right. Sender, assign rider. Okay. So I think this makes sense now. So now the thing is, we don't have any rider to assign this to. So if I come over here and refresh, assign delivery, now you can see we have sender one and chili. So first of all, we don't have any rider. That's the first problem. Second problem is, when I drop this down, I don't want to see sender one and chili. I just want to see riders. Okay, riders alone. So we're going to see how we can fix this. So let's so, and then this one we can't edit this one because it's just read only. All right, so let's create riders. So I wanted something where riders can only be created by the super admin, because it's a company, right? So riders are only internal to that company. So I want them to only be, so I want the account to be created by the global admin only. So to do that, let's come over to VS Code. Sorry, let's go over to, I think we already have an assign rider thingy here. Assign rider, sorry, register rider. So this is it. So let's just copy this one, then come over to templates, users.html. So now this would inherit from the, so let's do extends base.html. Or let me just copy everything here. Come over to assign delivery, just copy everything here, put in here. Okay, so for this one, we have username. So we do render field form.username and class, sorry, form control here. Paste it in here. So this one has to go. Right. Okay, cool. So next is email. All right. So next is enter password. Not email. So enter, sorry, password 1 and confirm password. So this is going to be password 2. Create user. Oh, register rider. I'll just say register. All right. So come over to base.html, right? And then let's just copy home. All right. Paste it in here. So let's call this register rider. So URL register rider. So let's see how it looks. Come over here and let's refresh. You can see register rider, click on register rider. You can see username, email, password, enter password, confirm password. All right. So when we enter username, so let's do rider1, and then email is rider1@email.com. Then put in password. So click on register. Okay. So I know why this happened. So let's go over to views for user. No, let's go over to user views, not delivery views. Views, yeah. So instead of going to login, I want us to go over to dashboard. You guys, hold on 1 minute, please. All right. So since we've corrected this to dashboard, let's try logging in again. Although I'm not logged out, I don't think I'm logged out. But let me just log in again just to be extra sure. Okay. So let's do register rider again. So let's do rider 2. All right, and then rider2@email.com. Then put in password to register rider. Now you can see it created us, it took us to but it took us to dashboard, but it's now saying create account, please log in. So that's what we want. We want to do something like let's go back to this one again. So we want to do something like account created for rider, right? Okay, so let's do another one again. Let's do for rider 3. at email.com, enter password. Alright, so I can't click right now. Cool. Okay, so we'll come up to delivery and then we'll come over to delivery queue, assign delivery. Now we can see rider 1, rider 2, rider 3. So we don't want to have this sender 1 here or chili. We don't want that. We just want rider 1, rider 2, rider 3. So to do that, let's come over to views. Let me just close these ones out, have space. Also arrange this. Alright. So come over to this one here, assign delivery. So just say form dot fields, right? Then we'll pick up rider dot query set equals. So let's import from users to models, import user. Right, so come over here and then we'll do user dot objects, objects dot filter, where is rider because it's true. Alright, so go over here and refresh, so you can see rider 1, rider 2, rider 3. So if I pick rider 1 and assign this to this ticket, so let me just see if everything will go fine. So that to crash. So it's valid, it's true, has rider, it's true. Okay, so let's see. So go over here and let's do rider 1. So click on submit. So you can see rider 1 assigned to delivery package, right? So that worked fine. So this should have changed to what's it called, a route. But let's see from this end. Refresh, nothing changed. Okay, cool. So let's see what happened. So has rider true. Okay. So let's see. Let's look at what happened here first of all. So delivery. So has rider is true, right? Okay, so this should show, except if I'm doing something wrong at the, from the template. So let's come over to delivery, active delivery. I said has driver, has rider. Just copy this delivery queue. Has rider, not has driver. Okay, so come over here and refresh. So this should be showing a route here, and then this too should show me a route as well. So I can also assign another driver if I want to, but I don't want to. And we can also have a functionality where once we assign a rider, this would disappear and we can't assign another one. But I don't think that makes sense because sometimes we want to change the rider to someone else. So we'll see like do that from here. But this is just going to like let us know that the rider is en route and is going to pick up the package. So the rider would get a notification or something from his own end, knowing that he has to pick up this package from this person and deliver to the other person. So we're going to also do that functionality. Let me just write it down here so that I won't forget. So come over to views. So let me just do rider queue, right? Or rider delivery queue. And what else? Rider delivery queue, rider delivery queue history. What else? What else? What else? What else? Mm, um, what else? What else do we have to do? Let's see. Let's see. So when we deliver, so um when we assign a delivery to a rider for the first time, right? We want the rider to hmm, okay. We'll deliver a to a rider. Okay, okay. I'm just trying to like use my use my sense to analyze this. Um, okay, that's fine. So let's just do rider queue and then let's do rider delivery queue, right? So if we need any functionality, we're just going to implement it as we move on. All right, so I think this is where we would stop now, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we look at how to implement rider delivery queue and rider delivery queue history as well. So, or rather, rider delivery history queue. All right, so far so good, we're on track, and let me just do another example for you guys again. So come over here. So let's say I want to create a new delivery. So I'll come over to home. Now let me just clean this out. So I send that one. Start the delivery. Package name. So someone's an umbrella. Pickup address. Let's say I am at Ikoyi, Lagos, and the recipient name is Lizzie Felici. So some random number here. Recipient address, Lagos. Alright, so click on submit. You're about paying 3,000 naira. Okay, so make payment. Success. Pay. Now payment successful takes us to the home page saying dispatch rider coming to you soon. So come over to active delivery, and you can see this is pending, right? Now come over to our end. So this is the queue. To refresh, now you can see this is pending. Then I can come over here, assign a rider. So I can assign rider 2. So submit, you can see rider 2 assigned to deliver the package. So this is now en route. You can see rider 2, this one is now en route. Come over here, refresh, and then you can see the route as well. So that is the flow basically. But we need to also have the rider's parts where the rider can also see things he needs to deliver. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to do that in the next video. All right, so bye for now. See you guys soon.